Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you Bitcoin website that you can watch advertisement. You can earn your free Bitcoin, and this is very easy way you can earn your free cryptocurrency. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. The website name is Earnbitmoon Club. Okay, this is the one of the best website of just surfing. They pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay account. If you have Faucet Pay account, you can earn this one with very easy way. Okay, just first you came here in this website, click register. You can register yourself. Click register for making a new account. Register yourself, and then you can log in yourself. And wait a minute, this website loading right now. Okay, if you click register, this page is come. Just put your email, password, confirm password, and solve a captcha and click register. You can register yourself. And I have account. I just click login to log in myself. Okay, I show you how you can earn from this website. This website is very easy way for earning. Okay, you can earn with the easy way. If you log in this website, just come let it down, and here put your wallet address, Faucet Pay Bitcoin wallet address. Okay, this one is the Faucet Pay Bitcoin wallet address. Just click add it to put your Bitcoin wallet address in here. Then you can earn. Okay, one coin you earn, one satoshi, that will be equal to 3 ways you can earn from this website. Okay, first one is the Faucet. Just click Faucet. Show you some advertisement. Don't worry. Every 21 minutes you can claim 8 coin. Okay, and every coin is 1 Bitcoin, 1 satoshi. Just solve a little bit this captcha. 2 and this one 5. Just click I'm not robot, fill the captcha. Okay, and this one is tractor. Just click your reward. Okay, and you have your 8 coin, and then come back to earning. You can choose another way. This is 2 ways for earning. First one is the coin, the next one is energy. What is the coin? What is the energy? Coin is equal to Bitcoin. You can claim your Faucet. The energy is the free way you can use your energy after the Faucet is completely finished. When you can claim any Faucet, the energy is available at that time, and you can use your energy to claim your free Faucet. Okay, the next one is short link. Short link is another way you can earn your free crypto, but this one is a little bit harder. This is 9 short links is available. Just claim your 9 short links, and you can also make some energy and some coins. Okay, this is very easy. Just watch some advertisement. The next one is PTC. PTC is another way, but in this website is not available PTC right now. This is the new website about that. No PTC added in this website. The next one is capture. Capture solving is not available right now. About that, this 3 ways you can earn. Okay, the PTC ads is not available too. Okay, now I share the withdrawal, how I can withdraw my funds. Okay, right now I have 70 Satoshi. Now I can withdraw. Little bit come down. This is a withdrawal. I open my Faucet Pay first. Okay. This is my Faucet Pay account. Right now I have this much Bitcoin, Satoshi. Okay, I show you the withdrawal. Just click withdrawal. Okay, this website tell you 70 Satoshi has been sent to your account. Just I come back and refresh my page. Okay, this is very easy way you can earn your free crypto. And this is the Bitcoin. I receive my Bitcoin instantly after a few seconds. I receive, and this is very easy and the best way you can earn. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and this website link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself and start making some cryptocurrency free. And goodbye, and please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos.